Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to kickstart your career in engineering, manufacturing, or the automotive sector in South Africa, this video is for you. Today we are diving into how you can apply for merSETA programs, including learnership, bursaries. So grab a notebook and stay tuned to the end. I'll show you exactly where to apply and give some tips to increase your chances of success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more career education content in South Africa. What is merSETA? merSETA means Manufacturing, Engineering, and Related Services Sectors Education and Training Authority, or known as merSETA, as it seems. And it is one of the 21st setters in South Africa. Its goal is to bridge the skills gap by offering funded training programs in industry, including automotive, metals and engineering, plastics, motor repairs, and tire manufacturing. Here are the main opportunities you can apply for through merSETAs. Learnerships, work-based training for unemployed youth that combine theories and practicals. Bursaries, financial support for studying towards qualification in merSETA's related field. Apprenticeships, practical training leading to artisan qualifications, for example, welding, fittings, building houses or structures, and whatever. Fixing. Internships, for graduates who need work experience in their field of studies. All of these programs are designed to increase your chances of getting employed in South Africa's growing industries. So let's get into step by step on how to use merSETA for application process. First of all, open your browser and visit an official website for merSETA website, which is www.merseta.org.za. Click enter to open. When it opens, you will see different options, but for us we are going for option which is recruitment. So click recruitment to open. When it opens, it will show different opportunities. Well, when you scroll down, you see different opportunities, and you will see the area for you which suits for you so as to apply. For example, we have multiples, for example, client liaison administrators, contract administrators, company secretary, manager for ICT service delivery, and at the end you will see the application form. But let's choose one opportunity. For example, let's go for human, the first one, human resource and the enumeration committee. Open it. When you open it, you will find job descriptions and requirement for the job you want. When you're done reading all this, you come back to recruitment option. Then you scroll down to the application form. When you click here, you will find the application form, but here we have two options, which is job application form and intern application form. It depends on what you want. If you want a job application, you go for job application form, and if you want for an intern, you go for intern application form. These are two different forms. So let's go for example, let's open for job application form. You will see different blanks which you need to fill, but first of all you need to download it. When you download it, you will have to print on your own time, so as you can fill the blanks. And For example, when you need for an intern form, actually it's written that intern program application form. As for job, it's also written for job program, job application form. So both of them, if you are fit for intern or job, you will need to print it so that you can fill and make sure that you have all certified documents that you will need to provide, and when you fill it, you combine them, then you send to the email shown below. Before we wrap up, here are a few golden tips. Keep your documents updated and certified. Follow up on your applications. Never pay anyone. merSETA opportunities are 100% free. Apply for more than one program. Do not wait for a single response. That is for today, folks. I hope you now understand how to apply for merSETA opportunities in South Africa. Let me know in the comment if you have applied before, or if you have any question. I respond to every comment. Subscribe for more updates on learnerships, bursaries, and career tips. Thank you for watching, and good luck with application.